In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up finance and budget management in ClickUp. By the end, you'll have a clean, organized space for tracking expenses, invoices, sales, and budgets, plus a dashboard to monitor everything in one place. First, head to clickup.com, sign in, and confirm you're in the workspace where you want to manage finances and budgets. If you work across multiple workspaces, double-check the selector at the top so you don't build your setup in the wrong place. From the main screen, open the Spaces section in the sidebar and create a new space. In the template, type Finance and choose the Finance Management template or a similarly named Finance option. Click Use this template. Give your space a clear name like Finance and Budgets and let ClickUp load the structure. You'll see lists, tasks, views, and sample data appear. That's normal and helps you get started faster. Inside this new space, explore the pre-built lists, typically sales, quotes, invoices, and expenses. Click into each one to see how the sample tasks are laid out. This quick tour gives you context for how information can flow from quotes to invoices to actual expenses. And you can always delete or replace the sample items later. Now open the expenses list to add your budgeting columns. Add a new custom field named budget and set it to number or currency. Currency is great if you want consistent formatting across your items. Enter budget values for each expense category: office expenses, insurance, car insurance, and any other categories you track. Next, add another custom field named spent or amount spent. This can reflect the invoice or payment amount, or you can enter it manually. If your plan supports formulas, create a formula field for remaining and set the logic to budget minus amount spent. Select the budget and spent fields in the formula builder, and you'll immediately see how much budget is left on every expense line. If your plan doesn't include formulas, note the remaining amount in the task description as a simple workaround. Apply the same idea in your sales or invoices lists. Add fields like invoice amount, budget if needed, and a calculated remaining field. Consider using colors to highlight over budget items and set permissions so only finance or admin users can edit sensitive fields. Create a dashboard to see everything at a glance. Open dashboards, click New Dashboard, and name it Finance and Budget Dashboard. Add a table or task list widget filtered to expenses, invoices, or purchases, and include total widgets for total budget, total spent, and remaining budget. Link this dashboard to your finance space for one-click access. Keep the system updated by regularly entering new invoices and payments and refreshing the budget and spent fields. Do a monthly review to compare actual spending versus budget and adjust categories or budgets as needed. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.